Hello guys, welcome to my channels. This is Asra Nazmeen from SDV Academy. Today we will learn Laplace transform. Laplace transform of standard function, first shifting theorem, transformation of derivatives, transformation of integrals, multiplication of e power n, division by t, initial value problem, final value problem. Okay, now Laplace transform definition: piecewise or sectional continuous. A function f of x is said to be piecewise or sectional continuous in any closed interval a comma b if it is continuous and has finite left and right hand limit in every subinterval of a comma b. Function of exponential order. A function f of x is said to be of exponential order as x tends to infinity if the limit x tends to infinity e power minus ax f of x is equals to finite if this limit is finite. If a given positive integer t, a positive number m can be found such that mod of e power minus ax f of x is less than m for all x is greater than or equals to t. F of x, when this e power minus ax goes to RHS, gives the value mod f of x is less than m into e power ax for all x is greater than or equals to t. Sometimes we write f of x is equals to 0 e power ax as x tends to infinity. Now, this is an example problem we have. Show that x power n is of exponential order as x tends to infinity, n being any positive integer. Limit x tends to infinity e power minus ax x power n. When this value e power minus ax goes down, gives the value e power ax. Now, this is x power n e power ax. This is when you put in infinity, so this is by infinity form. So we have to apply L'Hospital rule, in which you have to derivate this numerator separately, derivate this denominator separately. Gives the value here when you derivate x into x power n minus 1 by e power ax into a. When you derivate it one time, n into n minus 1 into x power n minus 2 by e power ax into a square, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into x power n minus 3 e power ax into a cube. Okay, and so on. When it derivate n times, gives the value here n factorial into a power n e power ax. So this value only we got here. Okay, when you apply limit to this, so e power ax, when you apply infinity, gives to these values, then gives the value infinity here. Means n factorial by infinity gives the value 0. 0, this is the finite number that we have. So hence x power n is an exponential order of as x tends to infinity. Laplace transform definition: if let f of t be a function of t defined for all t is greater than 0, then the Laplace transform of f of t denoted by L of f of t is defined by L of f of t is equals to, we have to multiply this value e power minus st f of t dt. We have to multiply this value to get the Laplace, provided that the integral exists. S is a parameter, real or complex. Okay, L of f of t is a function of s and can be written as L of f of t is equals to f bar of s. If f of t is equals to L inverse f of t is called the inverse Laplace transform of f bar of t. The symbol L which transforms f of t into f bar of t is called the Laplace transformation operator. Linearity property: if C1 and C2 are constants and F1, F2 are the functions of t, then L of C1 F1 of t, C2 F2 of t is equals to C1 L of F1 of t plus C2 L of F2 of t. Okay, now we have some of the examples where f of t are written in one form and L of f of t is equals to f bar of t we can written in one form. If it is 1, so 1 by s, we get 1 by s, such that when L of t is 1, L of f of t f bar of t is written as like this: 1 by s. When you get t, 1 by s square, t square 2 factorial by s cube, t power n factorial by s power n plus 1, e power at 1 by s minus 1, e power at 1 minus s minus a, e power minus at 1 by s plus a, sin at a by s square plus a square, cos at s by s square plus a square. sin ht a by s square minus a square cos ht a by s square minus a square. Okay, these are the example problems that you will get the values like this. Apply Laplace to 1. L of 1 is equals to e0 to infinity e power minus st into 1 dt. When you integrate this value, it gives the value e power minus st by minus s 0 to infinity. That is equals to e power minus s into infinity by minus s minus e power minus s into 0 by minus s. Okay, what you get the value here? 0 minus of minus e power 0 gives the value 1 by s. Okay, minus and minus gives the value 1 by s. So this is the required answer for this. Take the Laplace for L of t. That is equals to 0 to infinity e power minus st into t dt. Okay, now this of the formula is integration u v dx, gives the value u integration v dx minus integration u dash integration v dx whole dx plus c. Here take the value u as t and the v value is e power minus st. So what you will get the value here? t into e power minus st integration dx minus integration 1 into e power minus st dt whole dt plus c. Okay, now apply the integration e power minus st by minus s, and for this whole you will have to apply 0 to infinity minus integration e power minus st by minus s dt plus c. Okay, 0 to infinity. So when you apply this limit to this whole value becomes 0 and e power minus st by s square minus s square. So what you'll get here? 0 to infinity plus c. When you apply the limit, this value becomes e1 minus of 1 by s square. Okay, 1 by minus s square, that is equals to 1 by s square, which is the required answer when you apply the limit to this. Now find the Laplace for L of 1 plus t square plus t cube. So L of 1 plus L of t plus L of t square plus L of t cube. So what you get the value for L of 1? 1 by s plus 1 by s square plus 2 by s cube plus 3 by s power 4, which is the Laplace form. First shifting theorem. If L of f of t is equals to f bar of s, then L of e power at f of t is equals to f bar s minus a. When you get e power at, then you have to apply s minus a, means e power at t power n factorial by s minus a e power at sin bt b by s minus a whole square plus b square. L of e power at cos bt s minus a whole square plus b square e power at sin hbt b by s minus a whole square minus b square. In the place of s you have to put s minus a. E power at s minus a whole square minus b square. Okay, now we have some of the example problems so that you can understand this concept clearly. Find the Laplace of L of sine cube 2t. Okay, now we have the formula sine 3t is equals to 3 sine t minus 4 sine cube t. In the place of t you have 2t, so sine 6t is equals to 3 sine 2t minus 4 sine cube 2t. Okay, sine cube 2t, take common, sine cube 2t gives the value here 1 by 4, sorry, 3 by 4 sine 2t minus 1 by 4 sine 6t. Okay, apply Laplace here, 3 by 4 L of sine 2t minus 1 by 4 L of sine 6t. Okay, now what you will get the value here? 3 by 4 into 2 by s square plus 2 square minus 1 by 4, 6 by s square plus 6 square, okay, 3 by 4 into 2 by s square plus 2 square, okay, cancel this 2 and 2 times, minus 1 by 4, 6 by s square plus 6 square, this is 2, this is 3 times, so 3 by 2 into 1 by s square plus 4 minus 3 by 2 into 1 by s square plus 36. So take 3 by 2 common, what we'll get here, s square plus 36 minus s square minus 4. When this go this side and multiplying minus s square plus 4 into s square plus 36, s square gets cancelled, 36 minus 4 gives the value 32. So 3 by 2 into 32 by s square plus 4 s square plus 36. So this once this 16 3 is 48, 48 by s square plus 4 s square plus 36, which is the required answer. Now comes to next problem. We have to find L of sine 2t minus cos 2t whole square. So expand this, L of sine square 2t minus plus cos square 2t minus 2 sine 2t cos 2t. Okay, this whole value becomes 1 minus 2 sine 2t cos 2t, L of, okay, this is the formula of 2 sine a cos a gives the value sine 2a, and here in the place of a you have 2t, so we can write it as 1 minus 1 by sine 4t. Okay, now so Laplace of 1 minus Laplace of sine 4t, so Laplace of 1 gives the value 1 by s minus 4 by s square plus 4 square. This is the required Laplace that has been formed here. Find Laplace of L of sine wt plus alpha. Okay, this is the formula here, sine a plus b. So we can write it as sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Okay, now what we can write here, sine wt cos alpha plus cos wt sine alpha. Okay, now cos alpha take it as common, so L of sine wt plus sine alpha take it as common, L of cos wt. So this can be written as cos alpha into w by s square plus w square plus sine alpha s by s square plus w square, which is the required answer. Find L of sine 2t cos 3t. Find L of sine 2t cos 3t. So this can be written as, the formula is sine a cos b gives the value sine a plus b minus sine a minus b by 2. So this can be written as sine 3t plus 2t minus sine 3t minus 2t by 2. This can be written as sine 5t minus sine t by 2. So apply Laplace, 1 by 2 into L of sine 5t minus L of sine t. So 1 by t into 5 by s square plus 5 square minus 1 by s square plus 1 square. This is the required answer that you have. Okay, or else you can write it as 2 into s square minus 5 by s square plus 25 into s square plus 1. Okay, which is the required answer. Find the Laplace of e power minus 2t sine 4t. Laplace of sine 4t gives the value 4 by s square plus 4 square. Now when you apply e power by first shifting theorem, L of e power minus 2t sine 4t gives the value 4 by s plus 2 whole square plus 4 square, gives the value here 4 by s square plus 4s plus 4 plus 16, that equals to 4 by s square plus 4s plus 20, which is the required answer. Now find Laplace of t square e power minus 3t. L of t square gives the value here 2 by s cube. Then L of e power minus 3t into t square gives the value 2 by s plus 3 whole cube by first shifting theorem. Now transformation of derivatives. If L of f of t is equals to f bar of s, then L of f dash of t is equals to s into f bar of s minus f of 0. So double integration is when you put L of double integration of t, that gives the value s square f bar of s minus s of f of 0 minus f dash of 0. L of f power n of t gives the value in s power n f of s minus s power n minus 1 f of 0, s power n minus 2 f dash of 0, and so on, n minus 1 f 0. Okay, now apply the formula for L of f double dash of t is equals to s square f bar of s minus s into f of 0 minus f dash of 0 to sine a t. Okay, now what you have given here? Given f of t is equals to sine a t. F dash of t is equals to a cos a t. F dash of 0 gives the value a in the place of 0. Cos 0 gives the value 1. So a. Now f of 0 is equals to 0. Sine 0 is 0. F double dash of t gives the value minus a square sine a t. Okay, substitute all these values in this formula. What you'll get here, L of minus a square sine a t is equals to s square L of f of t minus 0 minus a. So what you'll get here, L of minus a square sine a t is equals to s square L of sine a t minus a. So when this value goes outside, L of sine a t is equals to s square L of sine a t minus a. So take these values as common. What we'll get, sine L of sine a t gives the value here a by s square plus a square, where s is greater than 0. Find the Laplace for t sine a t cos a t. Okay, L of sine a t gives the value a by s square plus a square. So L of t into sine a t gives the value here minus d by ds of a by s square plus a square. Differentiate this value, gives the value here 2as by s square plus a square. Same here, cos a t. L of cos a t gives the value here s by s square plus a square. So L of t cos a t. So we get the value here minus of d by ds of s by s square plus a square, which gives the value here s square plus a square into 1 minus s into 2s by s square plus a square whole square is equals to s square minus a square by s square plus a square whole square. Transformation of integrals. Let L of 0 to t f of u du is equals to f bar of s by s. Gives this is the transformation of integrals. Okay, now Transformation of integrals. So L of 0 to t f of u du is equals to f bar of s by s. Okay. Now we have the example problems here. Integration t into e power minus 3t sin t is equals to 3 by 50. We have to prove. So what is L of sin t? The value here L of t 1 by s square plus 1. Okay. Now L of t into sin t gives the value minus d by ds of 1 by s square plus 1, gives the value here 2s by s square plus 1 whole square, integration e power minus 3t t sin t dt gives the value here f bar of s, that equals to integration 0 to infinity e power minus st t into sin t dt is equals to L of t of sin t, that is equals to 2s s plus 1 whole square. So in the place of s put 3. What you will get here? Integration 0 to infinity minus e power minus 3t t sin t dt gives the value here 2 into 3 by 3 square plus 1 whole square, gives the value here 6 by 3 square 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 100. Okay, 2 3s 2 50s, so 3 by 50, which is the required answer form. Find the Laplace for this. Gives the value L of sin t, gives the value 1 by s square plus 1, and L of t cube sin t, that is equals to minus 1 whole cube d cube s by ds cube into 1 by s square plus 1, gives the value minus d square by d by s square. So this value gives minus 2s by s square plus 1 whole square. Okay, so this, when minus 2 comes out, 2 into d by ds of, again differentiate, gives the value here s square plus 1 whole square into 1 minus s into 2 into s square plus 1 into 2s by s square plus 1 whole power 4. This value gives 2 by ds of s square plus 1, taking common here s square plus 1 minus 4s by s square plus 1 whole power 4. So this gets cancelled 3 times. Okay, so 2 into d by ds of, this is s into, this is 4s square. So this value gives 1 minus 3s square by s square plus 1 whole cube. Again differentiate, gives the value here 2 into s square plus 1 whole cube minus 6s minus 1 minus 3s square into 3 s square plus 1 whole square into 2s by s square plus 1 whole power 6. This gives the value here minus 2 into 12s 1 minus s square by 1 plus s square whole power 4, that equals to minus 24 s into 1 minus s square by 1 plus s square whole power 4. Put s equals to 1. We have minus 24, 1 into 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1 whole power 4. 1 minus 1, this whole value becomes minus 24 into 0, gives the value 0, which is the required answer. Again, you have the same problem here also. Multiplication of t power n. L of t power n into f of t gives the value minus 1 whole power n d power n by ds power n f dash of s. Okay, now take what is L of sin at, gives the value a by s square plus a square. Okay, now L of t square sin at gives the value minus d by ds of a by s square plus a square. So what you will get the value here? D square s by ds square. So minus d by ds of differentiate this value, gives the value s square plus a square into a minus a into 2s by s square plus a square whole square. Okay, again L of t square sine at gives the value here L of sine at a by s square plus a square. So L of t square sine at gives the value minus d square by t s square by a s square plus a square. So what will get the value here? Minus d by ds of this value, when you differentiate, gives the value 2as by s square plus a square whole square. Again, when you differentiate, gives the value here minus of s square plus a square into 2a minus 2as into 2 s square plus a square into 2s by s square plus a square whole power 4, which gives the value 2a into 3s square minus a square by s square plus a square whole cube. Now we have to put a is equals to 2, gives the value here L of t square sine 2t is equals to 2 into 2 3s square minus 4y s square plus 4 whole cube, which gives the value 4 into 3s square minus 4y s square plus 4 whole cube, which is the required answer. Division by t. If L of f of t is equals to f bar of s, then L of f of t by t integration 0 to infinity f bar of s ds. This is the example problem. We have L of 1 minus cos t by t, L of e power minus t sin t by t. Find L of 1 minus cos t. Gives the value L of 1 minus L of cos t. So L of 1 by s minus s by s square plus 1. Okay, now applying t here, L of 1 minus cos t by t is equals to 0 to infinity 1 by s minus s by s square plus 1 minus log s minus 1 by 2 log s square plus 1 0 to infinity. This gives the value minus 1 by 2 log s square plus 1 minus log s square. Gives the value here 1 by 2 log s square plus 1 by s square 0 to infinity. Gives the value 1 by 2 log s square plus 1 by s. L of e power minus t sin t by t, which gives the value, find L of sin t, that equals to 1 by s square plus 1. So L of e power minus t sin t by first shifting theorem, 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 1 L of e power minus t sin t by t gives the value integration of 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 1 0 to infinity ds gives the value tan inverse s plus 1 0 to infinity, that equals to pi by 2 minus tan inverse s plus 1, that equals to cot inverse s plus 1, which is the required answer. Comes to the next concept, initial value problem. L of f of t is equals to f bar of s, then limit t tends to infinity f of t is equals to limit s tends to infinity s into f bar of s. Okay, now final value problem. In these both problems you have one common thing. Limit t tends to infinity limit t tends to 0 s tends to infinity, sin f s f bar of s, and here t tends to infinity, s tends to 0. These both things are different. Okay, s into f bar of s. This is final value problem. Now let us see this example problem so that you can understand the concept clearly. Limit t tends to 0 2t plus 3 whole square gives the value 2 into 0 plus 3 square, which is equals to 9. Okay, now limit s tends to infinity, f bar of s is equals to limit s tends to infinity, s of L of 2t plus 3 whole square, that is equals to limit s tends to infinity, s into L of 4t square plus 6t plus 9. Limit s tends to infinity, s into 4 of 2 by s cube, 2 factorial by s cube, 6 by s square plus 9 by s. Limit s tends to infinity, s taking s common, this value becomes 4 into 2 factorial by s square plus 6 by s plus 9. This gets cancelled out. So what you will get is limit s tends to infinity. So 8 by infinity plus 6 by infinity plus 9. Whole value becomes 9 because this value becomes 0, this value becomes 0, this 9. Hence this initial value problem has been verified. Now comes to final value problem. Limit t tends to infinity, f of t is equals to limit s tends to 0, s into f bar of s. So limit t tends to infinity, f of t is equals to limit t tends to infinity, t cube by e power 2t, and now this is in the form of infinity by infinity form. So we have to apply L'Hospital rule. So what you get, 3t square by e power 2t into 2. Again this is also infinity by infinity, apply L'Hospital rule. What you'll get here, 6t by e power 2t into 4. Again this is also infinity by infinity form, so again apply L'Hospital rule, 6 by e power 2t into 8. Now when this t tends to infinity, this whole value becomes 0. We have to verify final value problem here. What we have to do, limit t tends to infinity, f of t is equals to limit s tends to 0, s into f bar of s we have to verify. Then limit t tends to infinity, f of t is equals to limit t tends to infinity, t cube e power 2t. This is in the form of infinity by infinity form. So we have to apply L'Hospital rule here. L'Hospital rule. So what you will get here, 3t square e power 2t into 2. Limit t tends to infinity. Again this is in the form of infinity by infinity, so we have to apply L'Hospital rule, and this value becomes 6t by e power 2t into 4. Limit t tends to infinity. Again this is in the form of infinity by infinity, we have to apply L'Hospital rule. So what you will get here, 6 by e power 2t into 8. Limit t tends to infinity. So this is the value. When you apply the limit, this value gives the value 6 by infinity, which is equals to 0. Limit s tends to 0, s f bar of s, which gives the value limit s tends to 0, s into L of f of t, which is equals to limit s tends to 0, s into L of t cube e power 2t, which is equals to limit s tends to 0, s into 3 factorial s plus 2 whole power 4. When you apply the limit, this whole value becomes 0. Hence L of e power 2t into t cube gives the value 3 factorial by s plus 2 whole power 4. Okay, this theorem has been verified. Okay, hence please like, share and subscribe. If you have any kinds of doubts, please comment me in the comment section. And thank you and have a nice day.